you think you could get past this car here? Okay. Friday night here in the Berg. Can't get to it that way. Parking lot's pretty full tonight. I'm gonna try to come in from over here. Go low. Hey. Yeah. Perfect. Okay. Now we'll do a walk around. Good job.
Is it not a big diesel?
It's big something. The tonneau cover on it. We can come in from the road here to see the rocks here. No hotel hang tag or anything. It's parked here. Some scratches there on the fender. Eyeballs.
I swallowed a fountain.
So you probably have to go a little bit low to do the front because there's rocks over there and I don't know what they've parked over, but it's super close. Which way are you going out? You're going to try to go out right here?
I'm going to try.
Okay.
I think I can.
You're like a little engine that could. Okay. Go low. Okay. Let's get on this corner. See what we're doing over here. You can go up now. There you go. Hold up. Ooh, it's so close. It's so close. You're good. It's got plenty of room on that side. Wonderful. All right. Oh, There's a sign. There's a sign. There's a sign down there. There's a sign over there. And there's a sign by the entrance that he probably came in. Good job.
Well, you can't squeeze.
It really was. You did a good job though.
Had to work hard for that one.
But it's, what is it, Friday, 10:30. It's not very busy out.
No. No, not really.
It's early November.
It's been beautiful though, guys. Like, couldn't ask for better temperatures and weather. We've got some high winds coming in here, so I'm not looking forward to that this weekend, but
it is 65 degrees right now.
anyway, we're over to the lot. I'm sure this guy is not going to be happy. He parked in the private property lot.
What the, I mean, okay, so here's a paid lot. $12. Very empty.
Very empty. And less than a block away.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Anyway, we're back over to the lot, and we'll catch you guys when the phone call comes in.
Morning.
Hello?
Good morning.
Hey, this is Jeff, Everything Auto. I'm sorry I missed your call.
That's okay. My vehicle was towed from Country Inn and Suites.
We don't tow anybody from Country Inn and Suites.
Okay, it was a lot that was across the road.
Okay.
And this is the number the lady gave me at the desk.
Okay. Yeah, the gravel lot is a private lot. Yeah, they asked us to tow from that lot. Yes.
Okay. Where are you located, sir?
221 Newman Road.
221 Newman Road.
Correct.
Let me write that down.
Okay.
Well, there's no pins or anything in here.
Is this a cell phone number?
Here. Yes.
Okay. I mean, I can text it to you so you've got it on your phone if that works.
All right. 221 Newman Road. Do you know how far that is from that vacant lot from where you're at?
We're probably about 10 minutes down the car ride down the road.
Okay. So we'd have to. Do they Uber or anything? Or
Yeah, there's Ubers and Lyfts and taxis and things like that are in the area.
what's the cost on that?
It's
Cash. Where could I get cash? There's some banks around here.
There's some banks and ATMs and things like that on the strip.
Okay. All right. Well, did you write that down, huh?
He's gonna text.
Okay. Text it address to me, and I'll make arrangements to get that taken care of.
Okay, if you can, just give me a text back and let me know when you're going to be there. I don't keep anybody at the lot on the weekends, but if you'll text me,
that's totally up to the Uber driver and everything else. I mean, I have no vehicle to get there, so I mean, if I can text you when I'm on the way, when I get picked up.
yes, yeah, that would be perfect.
All right.
All right, thank you. Bye bye.
30 to 45 minutes to an hour. So we've been hoofing it, man. We're still a good ways away from you.
Okay. So you're about 30 or 40 minutes, you're saying?
I don't have a clue. This thing keeps rerouting us. We walk a little bit and it reroutes us.
Okay.
So,
Okay. We'll get somebody over at the gate here in about 30 minutes or so. All right, thank you. Hello. You registered owner? Okay. If you got some keys, I'll bring it up here for you. Thank you, sir. I guess the hotel didn't tell you where to park, huh?
No.
Nothing.
And your pal does not have any signs over there for overflow parking. Haven't put one sign on it that says
I don't know.
private property.
Lot
Really, I went
is.
over and walked around and looked, and just tell him that there's nothing over there.
That's not the overflow parking.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I know that now. So,
Yeah. There's quite a few signs over there for no parking
in that lot,
in that gravel lot. They all line the road, and then they go down the alleyway too for no parking. So it's just a bad deal there with the hotels.
It's a bad spot.
Yeah,
do they have an overflow parking over there?
the hotel does. It's about a block and a half away.
There you go.
All right, man. Let me get you this receipt.
Did you load it on a rollback?
It goes on an auto loader.
You
Yeah.
pick it up from the back.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, we pick it. Yeah, no dragging or anything like that. We don't. I treat everybody's car like it's my own. So we. Yeah, I'm sorry this happened to you guys. Hopefully, I don't know.
It's a learning experience. You know, I guess I just didn't pay attention, but I appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you guys. Appreciate it. Okay, guys, got a call in. We're on the Roaring Fork Motor Nature Trail and a Dodge Ram that's gotten itself stuck.
It doesn't look bad, so that's good. But it wants to slide over to the left, though. It's against that tree, isn't it?
Maybe, and there's nobody here.
There's nobody here. No way for us to not block the road, is there?
No.
Is this them coming down the road? I think it is. Don't get stuck.
Yeah, it looks like they've dug in pretty good back here, so we can get the traffic rolling behind us and hopefully get them pulled out.
It's starting to rain too.
Anybody else behind you?
No.
Well, I don't know where they're at, so stay tuned.
I'm like, oh God, what happened?
Oh no.
All right, we'll hopefully get up front and try to get. I might need a low. No, I shouldn't need a low pull. It'll be okay. Yeah, I'll just be able to hook. We were worried about the tree. It's like, is the tree going to be close enough to the?
Yeah,
I don't think it's touching yet, but.
okay.
Oh yeah, she dug in pretty good. Probably the driver be fine.
It's like a bifurcated.
Oh, yeah.
Should I go?
That one yesterday was crazy. No, it's fine.
Okay.
The one yesterday was bad. We had one in the ditch yesterday, and
Oh God.
I was using my bigger strap, and it was hard to get through those. They're a tight fit.
He about never got it out.
Yeah, I thought he was going to keep that strap.
You're strapped forever. Do you want me in there, or do you want him in there?
Yeah, if you want to just get in and probably just neutral.
All right.
But not yet.
I'm ready. Yeah. I think it'll pull forward from there. inch forward just to see if I still need to winch him or not. Okay guys, that was a pretty straightforward and easy pull there. Gravel got him in trouble. 2-wheel drive. It's kind of steep up here. You see, you've got a sweet Raptor. Now you can just park that up on the side of the mountain if you want to. Stick around guys, we still got to do the Motor Nature Trail to get the heck out of here. Hopefully traffic will permit and let us. All right guys, leaving the Motor Nature Trail here. I thought I would share some creative parking. Unfortunately, I think we might have went through the worst part of it, but this is why people get stuck on the Motor Nature Trail, and maybe we'll catch a few more before we head out. Ourselves, it appears to be another bear jam, and this is kind of bad. The upper roads, they've got this thing trapped, kind of.
Yeah, it's just right there. You can barely see it. So, what were you saying about the road?
Yeah, so all these people just stop in the middle of the road, and this road winds up to the top up here, so they've got this bear trapped in between the upper portion of the people that are looking down on it and the lower portion of the mountain where people are looking. So the bear can't go anywhere, and we got hundreds of people stopped.
Poor thing.
That seems like a very bad idea.
Here's the traffic in the upper part.
Yeah, this is not a good idea.
So
that bear cannot get.
I'm going to show the map.
Up or down.
Here's the map. The lower part, upper part, and the bear is in the center there.
And people just plain stop in the middle of the road. I mean, I understand pictures, but yeah, it's just not safe. It's not safe. I almost got rear-ended back there because I didn't know everybody was stopped.
But we're in the national park for, what was it, a tire change?
Yeah, guys, the national park dispatch called us for a flat tire, no spare. One of my favorites. Whether you guys get a rental car or whether you drive your own car, you've heard me talk about the no spare tire on vacation issues, and we're on our way to get one of them. The National Park Dispatch, we love them. Great guys too.
And gals.
And gals, I'm sorry. 2 of the gals helped us out on the spur the other night. Looks like they've got some new folks on the department, guys and gals, and they were very helpful. Mm-hmm. Anyway, we're headed up to try to help out with the no tire situation. He had called us and said he couldn't find anybody to help. Was on his last leg there. Please help me, and we'll always help the PD or the national park or any of that if we're able and have the means to. We'll definitely try to always help out. But this is why other companies don't come up. Is this right here? We're going to sit here for hours just trying to get to the top of the mountain to tow these people off of the mountain, essentially. No cell phone service, and you're just barely moving. So this is why the other companies don't want to go, and I understand that. But we always do. We always try to help out if we can. It's going to get dark here soon, and those folks are going to be up here.
They're all the way at the top, right?
Yeah, they're at the very top. Clingmans Dome. So Clingmans Dome is where we're headed, guys, and if we can get these folks to leave this bear alone, we will get up here to help out. So stick around, stay tuned. Probably going to be a whole lot of sitting in the truck doing 3 mile an hour.
It's a nice day though. I don't know if you can see all the people there. I don't know what they're trying to do. They're trying to get down to it or something, but what is it? You're not supposed to be within 50 feet of a bear. You're definitely not supposed to approach it by law.
We got people standing in the middle of the road. Oh my goodness.
Couldn't see it.
It's an awesome view up here of the dome though.
This is
Clingmans.
this is Chimney Tops, isn't it?
Maybe. I don't know where I'm at. It's a big mountain with some trees on it.
All those winds came through last night and like knocked almost all the leaves off. There's Chimney Tops. Think that'll be the last bear we see?
Probably won't be the last one we see. No, it's bear season. They're trying to pack on some pounds and get ready for winter if they get a chance. But yeah, we're going to head to the top. I'd imagine it's probably going to get quite a bit cooler. It's 72 degrees. We're probably a quarter of the way up. We'll get these folks loaded up, see what the temperature is up there. And the bad thing is it's Saturday. We're headed up. It's 3:15. Probably not going to find a tire store until Monday, maybe. So I'm not sure what these folks are going to do. We're going to be the bearer of bad news. But I'm sure they'll be happy to at least get off the top of this mountain. If they are as discouraged as the park ranger sounded on finding someone to help, then they've been up here for quite a while. Okay guys, we made it to the dome. You know, just about 14 miles up was a big difference between 72, 73 degrees. It's now 52 degrees.
How y'all doing?
Hey, I'm doing good. How are you?
I told them I have 2 people that need to be carried too.
Okay.
We're gonna, I don't know what you want to do. I'll block traffic for you. What you want to get,
It's this white one right here.
That's the red one?
Oh, the red one. Okay.
The right tire is all the way down.
Okay.
Sidewall
blown out of it.
blown out of it.
Okay.
So, but there's places in front of him too. I don't know how you want to work it.
Yeah, I might just be able to swoop right in. That way we're not clogging your...
Well, it doesn't matter. They get to wait. I don't have any trouble stopping traffic.
Okay.
You might want to, I tell you what, if you want to just pull over to the right and analyze and think what you want to do, and then we'll see how you go from there.
That sounds perfect.
Okay, doke.
It's all-wheel drive. In case you didn't know.
It's always all-wheel drive.
Hey, I brought a flannel, did you?
Yes, I brought a flannel.
They'll be happy to have it too.
And Brian Allen got me a really cool vest. I think he got you one too.
He did. He's such a sweetheart.
Let's go see if we can deploy some dollies, and it's gonna be great fun. Yeah, we'll get it over here behind the truck, and hopefully
I'll make sure no one parks here.
see if we can. I'll probably just back it up and.
You can see where it is, right?
Oh, it just got it just enough in that sidewall, didn't it?
Yep. I can get my finger into it.
Yeah, looks like it's got good tread on it too.
It's a rental.
Rental car. Rental, they do that. Man, they don't give you spare tires in these new things.
Yeah, there's no spare.
It's so frustrating. Yeah. Okay, are the keys in it? You've got the keys. I'm going to back it. I'm going to put it right here behind my tow truck, and give me just a minute to get some things hooked up. Yeah, I'm gonna back up to it. nice all-wheel drive. So the rental company wouldn't send anybody?
I don't know the deal. I just call the record. They normally don't know where people are.
Exactly. They had a hard time to park. Yeah, and they were going to take their time.
Yeah. That's understandable.
It's so cold. Oh, Lord, it's 72 down the bottom.
Yeah, last 3 Tuesdays ago was 12 degrees up there.
I'm glad I wasn't up there.
12 degrees.
That is not.
Thanks for coming all the way over here to help us.
Yeah.
We're actually on vacation from Miami, so
Really?
yeah, so we're like,
You're a long ways from home. For all those people that ask about a tow light, we do use tow lights. Usually just gets cut out of the footage. Okay guys, headed back down, and as you can see, the traffic has built to this tremendous amount of bear lookers. So coming up, you know, this all starts with just one person, and then it builds into this monstrous crowd of people that want to get pictures and selfies, and so there's going to be like 200,000 people that post this bear's picture on their Instagram tonight, and it'll be the same bear for all of these people. So they can just avoid this. So like if the first person would just share the picture with the other 200,000 people, this could all be avoided.
So we've been sitting in this traffic for 12 minutes already in this stop and go right here.
It's like, yeah, it's grown since we went up. Yeah, we're headed back down. So I guess the bad part about this is these folks that were towing out that had the flat tire, this is it, you know, this is their rental car. They don't have a spare, and they're counting on me to get them to the tire center so they can get a tire so that they're not without a vehicle until Monday morning. Well, this is not going to happen now because they close at 5 at the tire center, and everybody's got to get a picture of this bear. So not going to happen.
No, because it is 4:38.
I don't know. You're just listening to me whine about it. It is cool to see a bear, get pictures and videos and things like that. But this one, I guess, is, like I said when we were going up, this one just kind of worries me a little more than the others because of where it's at. So this is kind of like putting your wild animal in the center of your circus. Everybody surrounds it in a stadium and puts one thing in, and it can't go anywhere. This bear is trapped because we're going around this mountain. The traffic is packed all the way around it, so it has. We're just waiting on a ranger, I guess. If a ranger would come and shoo everybody off, so the bear could cross the road, and yeah.
And I mean, there's places to pull off the side. You're never ever supposed to stop in the middle of the road to look at wildlife unless it's in the road, you know, and you're gonna hit it.
Yeah, there's plenty. Like, I'm staring at a pull-off just right up here. There was 3 pull-offs that were behind me back there. There's
a couple up here in the area too.
And if those pull-offs are full, then they just need to go. You just can't stop in the middle of the road. I got places to be. I'm whining. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. My butt's getting sore. As I'm sitting here in the bear jam with nothing else to do, I've always wondered, that would be really cool to, like, okay, so we could drive to the top of Clingmans Dome and put your coveralls on and it just slide to the bottom. Wouldn't that be cool? Am I the only one that thinks that would be cool? Kristen said she would join me, but I would have to promise that she would not get injured. And that's questionable. But yeah, just start up there at the top and just ease off the end of it. It might have to be some Carhartt brand Carhartts. I'm not sure. Maybe a pillow, ratchet strapped to your butt. And just slide on down. Looks bumpy, but I don't know, maybe someday. The things you think about while you're sitting in traffic, waiting for everybody to get their selfie with the bear. I gotta go to the co-op and get me a new pair of Carhartt bibs. And
oh Lord. maybe you need like a sled of some sort, like one of those little round ones.
I don't want to go real fast. I just want to scoot down it. But yeah, I mean, I guess if you had a sled, that would really promote injury. Are we there yet?
25 minutes. Oh, I see people out.
Oh, people are standing.
But they're not obstructing traffic, so.
Yeah, they're doing the right thing.
Yes.
The people 3 deep in the middle of the road now. So when this bear comes out and gobbles everybody up, whose fault is that? I'm starting to hear horns blow, so people are starting to get a little frustrated. I don't even see the bear.
No, there's still people just bumper to bumper.
It goes all the way around, guys. So here's the loop again. Traffic goes there, and then down there, and over there you can see the other people. And somewhere in between here and there is the bear. Gonna gobble you up. Maybe it's moved to a different location.
Like a spot that you can't see from the road.
Well, I mean, you'll see all the people. They'll be out. Oh yeah, it's definitely made its way down there, because these people down here are just in the middle of the road. They're our lane. Okay, if you guys can see down that way, our lane is merging over into the oncoming because there are people standing outside. I'll try to get you guys some footage when we get there. Probably going to be another 2 hours. Okay, we're about to the scene of the crime up here, it appears to be. Everybody was just parking their cars in the middle of the road and walking, and I don't have any idea. I've still not seen the bear, so I'm guessing he's still up.
Everybody's still looking up there, but I don't see him anywhere.
And just like that, traffic moves freely.